Yes, welcome back, guys. You're welcome to Global Gift TV. Yes, you know that you can be making money selling your photos online. Not require you snapping yourself, no. Just creating some sort of photos, you can be making money online. Okay, if you don't know about that, in this video I'm gonna show you everything step by step, guys, on how to do it. Okay, make sure you stay tuned to this channel, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on bell notification so that you can notify anytime I post any video, so that you don't miss anything from this channel. Okay, yes, as I said earlier, I'll be showing you 5 websites where you can be making money selling your photos. Okay, it's not required any tech or any skills, no investment. It's simple, this is it, and this is free. Okay, you can be making at least $100 in a week selling your photos online. Okay, you can just come around now, just snap a photo of Lagos, understand me? Snap a photo of Lagos and just create it, and be creative creating the photos. Okay, and just come online, just say your photos. This is that. Okay, let me go to my Chrome browser and show you the site which you can use to sell your photos online, and you can be making money for sale. The one of it is halami.com. Okay, most of you don't know about this website, but the website that also pays. Okay, search on your Chrome browser now, halami.com. okay, this is the spelling of halami.com. okay, search the website here. This website gives you, this website pays you selling your photos. Okay, they're gonna pay you by selling your photos online. Okay, you can sell your photos online with this site called halami.com. It is all over the world. Okay, not maybe it's Nigeria, no, can sell it anywhere in the world. Okay, just come here now. First thing you're going to do is that you come here, you create a new account that want to be selling photos. Okay, you see here, buy images. No, you just come and sell images, understand me? After that, you create your new account and you follow this simple step I'll be showing you. You put your first name, you put your last name, your email address, your password, your phone number, and your address of your house. Okay, are you a photographer? Just put anyone like photographer. Okay, and about you can put anything about you. Okay, I can also tell them anywhere they can find you. Just make sure you create everything correctly. Okay, just have to put this there. Okay, after that, additional, you say no. Okay, additional opportunity, you said no. Okay, after that, just have to create your account, and you click on become a contributor. Okay, and you'll be getting paid every day. And this side they have over 300 and something thousand, 300 and something million stock photos and videos. Okay? Yes, it doesn't require you doing anything. Just come here and create it. I not the one to distribute the photos. No, it's a company that help you to distribute everything. Okay, just to look for buyer for you and be selling your photos. Okay, you don't have to be looking for buyer for one of that. No, just have to create your photos and be creative about creating it. Just have to be creative in creating your photos. Okay, the next website I'll be showing you is called Dreamstime. Okay, Dreamstime. Okay, this is the website here. Okay, here you see you can sell your images. You can sign up for free. Okay, just come to the site here now. One of the largest, you see here, one of the largest community where you have free photos. Okay, most of these sites are totally free. You can be making your money for free, don't require anything. Understand me? Yes, just have to come there and create your new account there, as simple as that. Okay, you can check about the complaint. Okay, yeah, they are over 500 and something. Yeah, okay, yes, now this is the site called Dreamstime. Okay, You can come to the website and be selling your photos too yet. Okay, you just have to create a new account. And start selling your photos. You come to this side, okay, you click on here. I want to be selling your photos. Okay, just have to create your account and tell them want to be selling your photos. You see there, buy or sell photos. Just have to click on buy. Okay, just have to create your account. After creating your account, you can get started. Okay, it not require you looking for somebody to buy here. Okay, the company will look for the people that are going to buy your photos. It is simple as that. Okay, and they have over 300 million photos. Okay, stock photos. They have over 300 million photos and videos. Okay, simple as that. If you are also creating videos online too, you can come here and create a video and be making money. Okay, in a week you can be making at least $100. Okay, you understand me, guys? And the payment through, you can pay through PayPal, Mastercard, and some transaction which you can also check from this site. Okay, next site I will be showing you is called Dreamstime. Okay, Dreamstime, understand me? Dreamstime. This also is also a free site which you can be selling your photos. Understand me, guys? You can be selling your photos here, sell your images, and make sure you be creative about creating your images and make sure it is accessible by the site. Okay, just have to come here and see sell your images. Understand me? Click there to automatically, okay, I want to sell your images and videos. It's simple as that. Okay, and you create a new account there, you sign up, you do all the details given to you there. Okay, see, they don't want any copyright. Okay, make sure you just create your own video. Just look for one place and create your own video. You can go to a okay, let's say, okay, you just have to create your own image and start making money from this side. Okay, I have to follow their rules given to you. Okay, there will not be a copyright photos. Understand me? You have to just read through so you can understand it. Okay, if you want to create maybe this video or the images, just have to check the things you asked to do. Okay, and start making money for yourself. It's as easy as that. Okay, the next I'll be seeing, okay, checking the rates of the site here. Okay, we create a small photos, you'll be earning $1.25. Okay, understand me? Here's how it is. And there's no subscription for you selling photos here. Okay, there's no subscription selling photos here. Okay, another website I'll be showing you, it is Adobe Stock. Okay, Adobe Stock. Okay, also a free site. Adobe Stock, also a free site which can be selling your photos online. Okay, here is the site here. Stock Adobe is a free site. You can also be selling your photos. Understand me? Just have to come here, create a new account saying that you want to be selling photos. Okay, try Adobe Photos for free. Okay, but you are coming here to create a new account and telling them you want to be selling your photos. Understand me? Simple as that. It does not require anything. Okay, you just come here, start free trial. Okay, you have to come there, create a new account for yourself. You see now, create an account for individual. Know what I'm going to do is that you create an account for you are trying for this. No, okay, just create for team and business. Just continue and make sure it is correct. Okay, choose build by your business 100%. Okay, just create a account for yourself. The next website I'll be showing you, it is called Pons. Okay, this is the fourth website. Number 4 website I'll be showing you, it is called Pond5. Okay, site is also a free site which can be used to make money for yourself, creating a video or images. Okay, just uploading your images, you can be making money. Okay, this site has been 2006. Okay, it has many 33 million videos. Okay, one of the most world talented flame acts. Okay, just have to come here and tell them you want to be selling your videos. Okay, simple as that. Don't require any fee just to start. Just scroll down and create a new account for yourself. Okay, as a contributor, you see here, you can come here and say buy another one there. Just click on this contributor and sell your media. Understand me? See your media and I'm going to be buying it. Okay, and get started. Understand me? You have to get started and be selling your. Okay, create a new account as a seller. Put your email and your password. You can also use your Google account to create an account for yourself and making lots of money for yourself in a week. As simple as that. Okay, just have to try it. Okay, and go through it so you can be making money for yourself, guys. The last website I'll be showing you on the list is called Shutterstock. Okay, Shutterstock is also a site that is also free too. Shutterstock.com. Just type in on Google. Also a free site too. Okay, we are free. You can also check there. So a free site, can be creating videos and images, but here in this video just talking about images, where you can be selling your images. All about, I'll be giving you one free app too, you can also use. Okay, yeah, so okay, they have 1 billion download. Okay, this one have one of the highest researchers and also people that download it. 1 billion people that have downloaded price from this site. Okay, it is amazing. Okay, and we just have to come here, create a new account. Okay, just come here and see start free trial. Okay, create a new account for yourself. Okay, just scroll down. Okay, don't create account there, just come here and create a new account for yourself. Then you want to sell your photos. Understand me? Sign up your account, you put your emails and your everything, and you start selling your photos from this site. The last website I'll be showing you, the one that I've been paying for years, it is called Fob.com. Most of you don't know about this site. Fob.com. Fob. Okay, not foam, sorry. It is Fob. Fob.com. Okay, also a site which can be selling your photos. Okay, just go to your Google Play Store, search for Fob.com. Okay, Fob.com. Understand me? Fob. This site can be selling your photos online. Understand me? Can be selling your photos. They have many photos there, but you can always be selling your own too. Okay, you see here your sales. You just have to install this app on your phone and start making money for yourself. Okay, you see now $300 in a reward. Okay, you just have to create an account and join people that are doing this. Okay, it's as simple as that. Many people are making money from this app called foap.com. You can install it and start using it to make money for yourself. And mind you, if any one of these doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you with any one of them. And if you learn something new in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel. Check the subscribe button, the red button, subscribe to this channel, and turn off bell notification button so that you don't miss any videos like this. Understand me? And make sure you like this video and make it to 1000 likes. Understand me? Let's go, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.